Hi there, welcome to our channel FleeTech. In this video, we will talk about how to set a budget with EveryDollar app. So for this, I am here on EveryDollar app and I just log in with my account. So this is the main interface, and first of all, I will choose the month here. So as April is about to end, so I will choose May 2025 here. Click on Start Planning. So first of all, we have income for May option. Like you need to enter the total amount that you have for this month. So for an example, I will add just $1,000 here and it will add it in received. So this is the total amount and we need to add a budget according to this amount. So first of all, you need to set a giving amount, like if you want to do a charity. So let's go with $5 to $10 here. Next, we have the saving option, which is emergency fund. So let's add $100 or $200 here. Okay, just add the amount and you are good. Next, we have the housing category where you need to add a rent, then water bill, etc. So first of all, I will add rent, then I will add a water bill here. Then we have natural gas rent. In the same way, you can add the amount here that you want to spend, or you think that this amount will be spent on these things. Just enter the amount here. Then we have transportation, like if you have the gas payment here, you can add it. If you have the maintenance, then you can add it too. Next, we have the food where you can add the grocery budget here. So transportation is done. Next, we have food where you can add the groceries amount and the restaurants. Next, we have restaurants. So I will add just $50 here. Then we have some personal budget here, like the money you want to spend on your clothing, phone, and subscriptions, etc. So let's add the phone budget here, which is $20. Then we can add a subscriptions, like maybe it's Netflix or something else. I will add $50 here. Then if I scroll down, so there we have lifestyle, like if you have any pet, you can add their budget here too. Then you can add the entertainment, then childcare, and etc. Okay, so now all the budget is added here. Then we have the health budget, like if you're going to gym or if you want any vitamins or doctor visit. So then we have insurance, like the health insurance, life insurance, add the money here. So in this way, you can use EveryDollar app for budgeting. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.